gosh, okay. Hey everybody, Sing here today. We're gonna play not Flappy Bird. We're gonna play Flying Bird, not Flappy, Flying. Now always some Flying Bird. Here we go. Tap. Oh. Oh. All right. So cool. No. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Oh, that's a nice pretty bike, but that's a nice butt. Oh, that's a nice butt. Here we go. Fun. Totally fun. Totally tote bag. It's really fun. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up, Eric. I'm gonna put a picture of a screaming. I'm gonna put a picture of a picture of a strong dog, one strong fat dog down there. A strong dog to keep you entertained, cause this is getting boring. Get ready. I'm gonna get ready. And I'm gonna put something put epic music. Put some pretty epic music. I don't know. I'm gonna put the music right here now. I'm gonna put like some a picture of a screaming guy, and then Pino, spaghetti, Mama spaghetti, M&M, yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, today's goal is to get past 3. I'm gonna get 3 today. I don't care anymore. Give me 3 on 3. I'm gonna shut up. Oh my gosh. Put the music. I put some music and a picture of a spinning. A picture of a spinning something. I don't know. I can't say it anymore. Holy shoot! Oh my god! That's it. I'm done. I'm not gonna rage quit. What? Okay anymore. Okay, I'm gonna get my gun. Hey, get my gun. Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm sorry for that. Bye guys. Please just can I get a chicken sandwich? Cause I'm bored. Yeah, I'm winning at this. I'm winning. I'm so cool. And this has been Off-Brand Gaming, Flying Bird. Bye guys. But I don't know. Can you guys go? Alright, I'm gonna go now. Bye, stupids.